Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a design in Canva and export it as an SVG file. Usually, you would export everything as a PNG, but sometimes you may need to export it as an SVG file. If you want to export an SVG file, that option is available in Canva. This is the design that I'm happy with, and I want to export it as an SVG file. To do that, make sure you have checked all the design elements and text. Make sure there are no errors in any text or images. I have checked the design and it's ready to export as an SVG file. Now, to do that, go to the Share option at the top right and go to the Download section. And at first, you might not see the SVG file option. So, you need to search. Go to the file type, and now you can find the SVG file format. If you want it in GIF, that option is available. But right now, we are exporting in SVG file. Just click on it. If you want to download without a transparent background, then you can select that. And if you want to adjust the download settings, you can do that as well. Note that SVG file exporting is only available on Canva Pro. You can't export SVG files in the free version, but if you have Canva Pro, you can do it. Just download it and you're good to go. That's a simple way to export your files as an SVG file. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and share. If you have any questions about Canva, please comment below. I will answer all your questions, and I'll see you in the next video. I will answer all your questions, and I'll see you in the next video.